Quickie Chi time, go. This practice is targeted towards your adrenals and kidneys to help harmonize your response to stress. We're going to kidney tap and rub. So I'm going to turn my back to you at first. Take a stance that's about shoulder width apart. Root your feet down into the earth. Bring the OK sign right over the kidneys and begin to just tap up and down. Small area. Bring some healing energy to the kidneys. You can do the OK sign, which I like. It's hello, kidneys, be well. Or you can make a light loose fist. We're going to go at it for 3 minutes. Yes. Deep breaths in. These quickie chis, you can integrate them at points in your day, especially if your day is looking a little unusual, unritualized. This could be a great way to add some ritual to your day. I wouldn't suggest doing this right after a meal, but maybe you do this. This one would be great right after you get out of bed in the morning. Let's say after you brush your teeth. You've got that anchor in your day. And then you could think about bringing it in the afternoon when you're feeling a little sluggish. Let's say you've been sitting too long watching too much TV. You can take it on there. Great. Oh, yeah. Some deep breaths back into the kidneys. Pause at any point if your hands, your arms get a little tired. We want to wake up those kidneys. Yeah. All righty. In this final minute, we're going to begin with a little slap on the kidneys. Kidney love. Hold your stable stance. And we're going to take this down the back of the legs. Around the front. 3 times. Slap down the back of the legs. Around the feet, up to the front. One more. Down the back. Up the front. Hands on the kidneys. Just give them a little rub now. A nice little pat down. Thank you, kidneys. Thank you for keeping me out of this freeze response that you may tend to take on. And allow me to feel peaceful and tranquil. Nice deep breath. Expand into the kidneys. Oh, yeah. Two more like that. One more. If you're looking for some longer kidney love practice, do be sure to check out my Qigong for the water element playlist. I'll link to that below. Be well.